Can Copilot be a concurrency for the Canva application? That could be surprising. I thought so, but when I opened the new edition of the Microsoft 365 Copilot and then when I saw Create app that is included in there, I see clear references to the Canva application included in the Copilot. In this video, I would like to present you the Microsoft 365 Copilot Create app. I know the name is not that great. That is heavily inspired by Canva and giving every Microsoft 365 Copilot licensed user possibility to create quite nice graphics that could be used across the organization using AI, but also using quite good graphic editor that does not require any knowledge from you from the perspective of being a graphic designer. So let's dig inside the Create app that is included in Microsoft 365, and as always, if you want to support this channel, leave the subscription, comment or like below. So let's move on and let's check Create app that is included in Microsoft 365 Copilot. And one more second before we move forward to the video, I want to invite you to the Copilot Quick Start training I prepared for the viewers of this channel when I dig into the details how to effectively use Copilot in the organization. As a Microsoft MVP, I'm sharing my expertise there. If you want to use it, check the link in the description and let's meet in that dedicated training for the viewers of the YouTube channel. As I already mentioned, Canva application is something that we were referencing to, and you can see this is a simple app that does not require from you any graphic experience to create great pictures, great graphic solutions, videos that you can share and publish on social media without any technical skills. Personally, I'm using that on daily basis, and the power of this application is the possibility to use dozens of templates, dozens of pictures, predefined solutions that you can reuse easily without any designer experience to create nice looking documents, pictures and videos. Something that could be interesting for most every organization. And before we switch to Create app, let's see how Microsoft Copilot Chat application offered till now the possibility to create the graphics using designer app that is included as a part of the solutions. First of all, you had to put the prompt and then Copilot application providing graphics that could be used as a representation that whenever you like, you can use that kind of picture. Again, you will see the pictures were very AI based. Immediately you can recognize some kind of AI style, but still it's evolving, it's starting to be better. And today you can get that kind of functionality to get really nice picture, generate graphics using AI. This functionality is quite improved from the perspective how it worked in the past. So you can see we get nice looking Minecraft picture, but again, this is not something that immediately can be used in the professional scenarios. So that's why we will switch from Copilot Chat and the possibility to generate the pictures there. And let's move to Create and let's see how there we can create more professional looking graphics for our organization. So let's switch to Create application that you can find in the new navigation window in the Microsoft 365 Copilot that can be hidden or can be presented on your screen. This is a very nice feature because you can see all of application landing here, but this button making it work much better. So you can see in the Create you can have the interface, and here is quite important element because when you will start to work with this application, you have two ways of working with it. First of all, you can open that kind of picture and edit the prompt that generate that kind of elements, and you can see these pictures that are generated using GPT-4o models can reuse some kind of elements that you will upload here. So for instance, your pictures, for instance, another elements that you already prepared, and using AI you can generate the new image based on your prompts. But the second element that you can also use a design mode where you can work with specific pictures, specific template to edit it based on your preferences. And you can see this user interface is very similar to the way how Canva application is designed. So let's go through these features and let's see what kind of operations you can use here. So first of all, you will always have some kind of predefined solutions that you can reuse, for instance, to update your picture, to create some kind of nice looking images, infographics or pictures. And moreover, you will have multiple categories that you can use to create your picture necessary for your organization. For instance, if you're working with logistics and you want to create really nice picture of the truck, this is the way that is predefined. You will find here predefined prompt that you can configure and create totally new pictures based on your needs. So in my case, let's upload the image of myself and let's ask AI to tune it up. So we create the prompt, we uploaded the picture and we asking Copilot and Create app to prepare customized picture for us. You need to remember that this is the solution that is advertised as create the graphics in minutes, not in seconds. So I totally agree. If you're using AI, you will need to give it a little time to prepare nice graphics. So let's see what AI will bring for us. So you can see this is the picture of me translated from the picture that I uploaded to something totally generated by AI. And my blue shirt that I always wearing is referenced very well in here. My face more or less is very similar, but again, you can see this is quite powerful solution if you want to create such a picture. If you will be not satisfied with the results, you can add additional images, change the style, change the branding, transform this picture again. But moreover, if you will be interested, you can use the filters, change the look and feel of that picture. You can add additional layers, for instance, components that for any reason you want to put in here somewhere on the screen. And these are the elements that you can configure. You can put the headline, additional address, anything you want. So this is the difference when you compare it with the previous experience. Now you can generate something in AI and then use it as a baseline for work with the graphic edition to create something nice. And moreover, you have multiple other functionalities that you can use. For instance, you can create the poster. So if you don't have access to graphic designer to prepare you something, you can use one of dozen templates that are available here for free. For instance, this nice looking building, and again, you have two modes. You can use the prompt to generate that kind of image again, or immediately switch to the edition in the Create Edition panel. And you can see what we have. We have the image that is in the background still. That's something that we can edit, upscale, focus. You have multiple functionalities in here. You can also use the filters, and what is great, you have the possibility to work with the text in here. You have multiple styles, you can configure, you can change the wording and edit it for your purpose. That's why it's great. Not only because you can use AI in here, but it's also provide you the layer with the addition for the graphics and projects that you're working on. In case of create the video, you will be able to create the video that then you will be able to edit in Clipchamp. In case of forms, you will be able to create the survey that can be edited later on in the Microsoft Forms. But also you can create the banners in the same way as we work with poster, edit images, and here you can see multiple nice functionalities that could be helpful for you. So for instance, you can remove the background, you can blur the background, change the colors, crop the palette, add additional stickers, add filters, upscale, a lot of AI great functionalities that could help you to work with the graphics. But moreover, in this more button, you can see you have multiple other elements worth to consider. One of my favorites is the possibility to use infographics, and again in two modes. First, by editing the prompt, and second, by editing the infographic itself. So if you have the template, you can immediately jump in here, change the text and use it for your purpose. Great functionality, fantastic feature with huge potential for the future evolution as a part of the Microsoft 365. And one more thing that I want to highlight for you is the possibility to create the templates and the branding that you will share with other users in the organization. So one more element that I want to highlight for you, which I highly recommend you to configure before you will share that application wider in your organization, is if you will go to more and brand kits and templates. These are two elements that I recommend you to test. In case of templates, you will be able to create predefined templates for PowerPoint, for Excel and other applications, something that is provided by Microsoft, but also something that is included in your organization as a baseline. But moreover, in the brand kits, you will have the possibility to create your company branding with fonts, with colors, something that will be baseline for every user that can create the new graphic elements in here. You can create the new brand kit by naming it, and inside it you will have multiple elements that you can upload here. For instance, you can upload multiple versions of your logotypes, add the colors that will be baseline your brand kit for the graphic elements, fonts that should be used for heading, subheading and body text. You can see you have also possibility to use multiple fonts, and images that should be shared with every user that can be uploaded in here. And two more great features that you should be also aware of. You can edit something called brand voice. You can put here multiple recommendations for AI, how AI should consider creation of the elements. For instance, if you are a healthcare organization, you can add additional statements that should be considered by AI. In my case, I put here few statements. In my case, it will be reasonable, but this is something that you can extend the way how AI works. And moreover, one more element, you can create the templates for your projects inside Create. For instance, the template for the post that will be used on social media, you can have the background elements, fonts configured based on your preferences, and moreover, if you will create the brand kit, logotypes will be delivered very quickly for you. Moreover, color palettes, text formats and images will be available just by one click. And in the end, that branding kit you can publish as an official branding for all users. You can see this is maybe not Canva equal solution, but still huge potential is here. We can create very nice graphic elements, not only using AI, but just editing the graphic components. And I really looking forward for the evolution of this solution. And I highly recommend you to test it in your environment if you are owner of the Microsoft 365 Copilot license. So you can see my statement about Copilot being a killer for Canva maybe is a little over exaggerated, but still I'm really excited about Create app which is part of the Microsoft 365 Copilot. It is great graphic editor with AI features, but also with the nice looking simple editor that offers you to create projects and templates and reuse them multiple times without any technical knowledge, something that was totally missing as a part of the Microsoft 365. If you own Microsoft 365 Copilot subscription, check Create app that will be available as a part of the Microsoft 365 Copilot experience and promote it to your marketing or internal communication departments. I'm quite sure that they will be more than happy to play with it. Thank you very much for watching, thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next video.